I'm on eco. That's 5 miles an hour. And look, I'm feathering the brake. That much right there. Without interrupting the engine. Okay, you can hear the engine when it's on. I'm in eco mode, 9 miles an hour. I've got about 3/4 of an inch of brake I can use to just slow me down just a hair without interrupting the engine. A little bit more, it interrupts it. You know, whenever you're in an emergency situation, it's like this, it's instantaneous. But sometimes you just make a little turn or whatever, you just need a little bit of it, just a little bit of brake. But you don't want to interrupt the engine. You just want to keep on cruising, even through a turn. How did I do that? How am I able to accomplish that? It's an adjustment inside here. Let me show you what I'm doing. Let's measure how much play I have until the brakes come on and the brake light comes on and it kills the engine. So I'm going to call that right to the edge. I'm going to call that 2 7/8. I'm not even looking at the tape right there. Back and forth, figure that out. Right there, I'm at 2 1/16. So let's just call it 7/8 of an inch. I got almost an inch of brake. That first initial part, just enough to give me enough to slow down, but I'm not killing the engine. I'm not losing momentum. I'm just kind of getting a little bit of control is what you're really getting. How did I do that? Really easy. Let me show you. All right, so if you want to be able to fester your brakes, you're going to need a 2mm hex key. Follow the wire. That's the flexible one that goes up to your master cylinder. On the bottom of it, right below this screw, you're going to see a set screw. It screws in, it's crimping onto the threads there, holding them in place. Back that out. From there, get your 7mm open-end wrench. That's what this is right here. Back this out several turns until you can feel this, until you can feel the sensor slopping around inside that hole. When it's a little bit sloppy, you can then tighten it back up a little bit and you'll feel it tighten up. Check your brakes yourself to where you want them. I like mine at about 3/4 of an inch right there. I got a lot of adjustment and play on the brakes there before the engine cuts off and I lose speed. Once you know where you're at, back and forth, small measurements. Take your 2mm hex key, go back to that set screw, crank it down, good and tight. You're good to go. Your brakes are now all set so you can fester them without losing speed. Is that not cool or what? All right, man, that's it. I'm out of here. See ya.